And I tell you, it's going to be really hot today. It's that time of year for ice cream, isn't it? I personally don't like ice cream very much. I don't reach for it very often, but I have some that I want to show you. And I'm going to give you good, better, best. I'm going to analyze the ingredients for you, not so that you can go find this exact ice cream, but so that you can go to your store and be equipped with the knowledge of how to choose a good ice cream. I'm going to start with the best. The best ice cream is one that you make. Actually, I've got an ice cream maker over there. I'll show you. On our private Facebook group, Forever Young, we have a document listing a lot of homemade ice creams, and they're super, super simple. And let me show you my ice cream maker. This one is by Pampered Chef, but you can buy some like that on eBay is what I did. I got them for my kids one year for Valentine's Day. So Cuisinart makes one. The bowl comes out of there and you store it in the freezer. So when you get ready to make ice cream, you mix up your stuff, you put it in there, you plug it in, and it's ready in about 20 minutes. That is the best because then you have total control over all of the ingredients. I eat ice cream on a high carb day. Actually, though, it's kind of crazy. I'm wishing for ice cream today. I'm probably going to have some of this afternoon. One serving, that's a lot. 2/3 of a cup. Maybe I won't eat one whole serving. 2/3 of a cup has 30 grams of carbs. Right now I am focusing on ketosis. When I'm in ketosis, my immune system is stronger. So that's a really good reason to be in ketosis right now. When you're eating carbs, carbs feed viruses. I don't need to tell you, you don't need to be doing that right now. So a really low carb diet is a great way to boost health so that you can be confident in the strength and health of your body instead of living in fear like most of the world is doing right now. You can choose a different path. It is your choice, absolutely. So today, if everything else I eat is really low carb, I can afford some carbs from ice cream into my carb allowance for the day. So if I'm making my own ice cream, I can use raw A2 cow's milk because I'm very blessed to live close enough to a dairy where I can go buy that. Otherwise, the best milk would be coconut milk because it's very nutritious. Almond milk, oat milk, these are made with oat milk. Those other milks are not as good. They're a substitute for commercial cow's milk, which I would never drink because it's pasteurized and homogenized. It's full of toxins. The protein's damaged, the fat's damaged. That stuff's bad. So then people want milk and they want alternatives. So almond milk and oat milk don't have a lot of nutritional value. And it's hard to find some that have a really short list of ingredients. Most of them have a lot of synthetic vitamins in them and preservatives and flavors. So those are really not good choices. Coconut milk is, so raw A2 cow's milk or raw cow's milk that's not A2. That would probably be my second choice. My third choice would be coconut milk. And again, that's why I like to make it myself. So I'm going to actually show you the ingredients in this one. The vanilla one has a little bit less, they're very similar here. I'm going to show you the vanilla one because it's a little bit easier. The caramel chocolate one has cocoa butter. It's organic cocoa butter. That is a really healthy fat. Healthy fat is the #1 most lacking ingredient in the standard American diet. So here we go, organic cocoa butter. I put that in my coffee a lot of times in the morning because it's straight fat, no carbs, really healthy. The other thing this has is caramel syrup. So that's what's spiking up the carbs, is the caramel syrup. I did taste this the other day. It was really good. It also has organic molasses. So that's what this has that the vanilla one doesn't have. So let me see if we can come over here and look at the ingredients. If we can, there we go, oat milk, filtered water. whole oat flour, organic cane sugar. I looked a long time to be sure that the sugar that was in my ice cream was cane sugar and that it was organic. I'm not willing to eat something that says sugar because that is genetically modified beet sugar. I'm also not willing to eat cane sugar because they put tons of chemicals on it. So I want organic cane sugar. God did make sugar cane. Organic coconut oil, really good. Let's look at the fat content. If my camera will focus. Okay, it's not focusing, but I can read it. 10 grams of fat. That is really good. And 26 grams of carbs. Okay, let's come back over here to the ingredients. Tapioca syrup, that's not a good thing. See, if I was making it, I would not put that tapioca syrup in there because that's going to spike your glucose. Pea protein, it's acceptable. Locust bean, gum. Again, if I was making it myself, I wouldn't put that in there. Sea salt, vanilla extract, guar gum, that's a thickener also. Natural flavor, I don't like that. Why don't they just use vanilla bean, right? Why do they have to add that crazy natural flavor stuff? I avoid those things. So this is not a perfect choice, but it's better than a lot of others. Notice also it is non-GMO. Let me see if you can see that. Yeah, the little rectangle. I love this. Non-GMO verified. So that's really good. So you've learned good, better, best. You can go to our private Facebook page, Forever Young, and get some ice cream recipes. And also, if you're interested in ketosis and how to get into ketosis, how to eat a low carb diet that's healthy and in a way that is easy, that boosts your immune system, you can go to our website, healthforapurpose.com. Look under the programs in the Health Reset section. Go all the way to the bottom, and you can download a guide that will teach you about ketosis and autophagy and stem cell production and things like that, so that you can have some good knowledge, some good tools to build immune system in your body. I hope you have some time today to get out in the sun, build some vitamin D in your body to boost your immune system, and enjoy some healthy sweet treats that are cold.